Hey guys, I'm just doing a video and we're on the backside of our property, taking a walk back here. So you guys can see, that's not ours, but we're hoping to get it one of these days. Part of it anyway. Here's the fence line at the edge. Here's the start of our property on the backside. We own all the way down the bottom of the hill. Just gonna do kind of a circle-ish thing to let you know.
Is that a great snow walk?
It is February 21st, 2025.
So beautiful. It's like you come back here and like all your worries just go away. Oh, isn't it just
It is.
Oh, it's just so beautiful. I don't want to go back home. Oh, it's like this little masterpiece, honey. This little masterpiece that's just tucked away. Isn't it?
Yep.
You know how pretty it is? There's that one over there, that one. I can hear their air unit going. You can hear their air unit going.
Take you on this journey with us on the way back to the house. We don't hit tree limbs.
Oh, okay, yep, there it is.
Well, we got all kinds of animals back here running. I know it's deer and something else. Don't know exactly. There's a lot of it. I got my trail cam. We'll find out. It's really pretty back here. Poop spot.
And look at that beautiful mountaintop over there. That's snow.
Oh yeah.
See that beautiful mountaintop up there?
Couldn't make it back here for the other snow.
Finally, we got back
So
on foot. No,
then I work tomorrow, so we knew we'll get back here tomorrow. So figured we better catch it while we had it. It's getting kind of dark, but I love it back here. That's our favorite part of the property. It's just a beautiful view of everything and just peace and quiet and serenity. Yep. Still got a lot of ways to get back, but we'll work on it. God is so awesome for blessing us with such greatest stuff like this.
Wouldn't it be cool if it was Christmas time one time and we could see lights through here?
Oh yeah.
Snow.
We could do Christmas one year.
And it would snow though during the Christmas time. Yeah.
Yep.
We gotta close that.
No, it's alright. It's just gonna come down again. My deer stand.
Made it through the storm.
Yep.
So, yeah, there's mountaintops over there.
Yep. It's just pretty views.
That snow right there is real soft.
Yeah. It's kind of like fresh snow there almost.
Yeah.
It's all nice and
It's
packy.
soft.
We own just a little ways over there. Almost that big oak tree over there you can kind of see. But yeah.
And you take a big thing right in there. And yeah. Just this full right there, just a full circle.
Do a full circle.
You hear the birds chirping?
Yep. Really love it over here. So, still got a little ways to get back to the house, but it's been nice today. We had nice weather. We finally get to come back here for the snow like we always wanted. And we're just loving it up here. And just couldn't ask for anything prettier.
Watch out for the birdie up here. Watch on this side.
Yep.
Little birdie. There's a little birdie in the bush.
Little birdies in the bush.
Little birdies in the bush. Watch out for that little birdie.
Little trail through there.
Oh, honey, watch out for that birdie.
Yeah. Something got a bird right there and ate it up here.
Got her some dinner.
Yeah, packing snow again.
Yeah. Make sure you get
Another trail through there.
Make sure you get the house on the hill.
There's our house. And the trail goes down to it.
You see it?
Uh-huh.
You can walk in front of me so you can get it.
I got you.
Better. Well, I mean, get
Oh, I got the house.
the house on the video.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get on the video?
Yep. Yeah, I did.
Almost did it. You put a sled in here.
Almost. Yeah, you can sled down this hill.
Yeah.
Almost.
Go down from the house.
I'm going to clean it up a little bit more and might be able to have a sled down through here and kids or grandkids or something come over. Going down the hill to the house up there.
Be careful, don't slide.
Hoopty-da!
Oh.
There's our trail. There's our house. Some more woods.
Yeah, the grandkids back here last weekend, no snow.
Yeah, we took it for a ride on the ATV back in here. No snow. It's funny how some of this is like hard and crunchy and some of it's real powdery.
Yeah. There's the homestead.
Yep. We own quite a ways over that way. And then way ways over that way.
It's a beauty. Isn't it, babe?
It is.
That God has blessed us.
Yep. Going down in the valley.
Yep.
I want to try to clean a bunch of brush up down here so we can see down here a little better in the spring and stuff.
Summer.
Hopefully one day. Old tree getting dead. Probably need to get rid of it before it
Looks like a lot of wood.
falls down. Yeah, could be. Trail leading up that way. We just came from up that hill.
Should we walk that other little trail over there?
If you guys come back down, we have good weather. We can start having a get together again. We'll you guys can probably walk back here and have a better trail to walk on. Hopefully.
Oh, look at the little road path.
Big old tree.
Little bunny rabbit trail.
There's the trail, went all the way up through there.
Here's the back of the house, the little snow trail. Oh, well, that's as much as I've ever seen that tree.
I know.
There's not any bark.
It's a big old oak tree. That one's older than the hills. There's our homestead.
Yep. I didn't notice it died that much back here.
Yeah.
There's the horsey looking at us.
Yep.
Look at that sky. That's a beauty, isn't it?
Yep.
Did you get the house? The snow
Yeah.
on the house. Oh.
Try to get a picture. Back of the house in the
Bye.
sky.
Let's get our sign here. Oh. Byron Jones. I don't think we've taken a picture yet.
There's a sign that Priscilla's friend at work husband made us.
Love it. Let's make sure. You in there? Get in a little bit more in there. A little more. I think that's good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, all the beautiness.
Should we walk that little trail
Looks
over
really
there?
pretty.
Are you done?
Yeah, we can walk if you want.
That one?
I don't care.
Which way? Is there a little trail for there?
Uh-huh. There's our,
Hey. Doesn't look like much comes through this
we're
trail.
gonna call it George. LOL. Our little George.
Our little George.
Yeah, everything kind of stays up this way, I think.
Yep.
There's deer walk through here, trail through there. They walk through. All kinds of tracks over here. Let me put another camera back here so we can catch some more pictures.
Hey.
Deer and stuff been digging in the leaves and find some acorns to eat.
Yep. Oh, I want to go back in the woods.
Me too.
I love it back there. We should have got us like hot cocoa and put it back
Oh,
there. Wouldn't that have been cool?
yeah. Maybe next time.
Walk back there with a cup of hot cocoa.
All that view.
Yep.
Other deer stand there.
Now that's not land we'd walk on back there.
But that's all ours. No.
In your little deer stand.
Our house.
I love our house view from this side. Coming down this trail.
And another little trail up here. Going up. Almost to the edge of our place again.
Yep.
So
A little edge.
anyway, I'm going to say goodbye before we hit the 15-minute mark so I can get this on YouTube. So we will see you all later. Love you guys.
Happy winter. So will spring.
And there we go. A little more for our house.
Did you get our house from over here?
Uh-huh. And all this acreage.
What do you want?
It's beautiful. Can't wait till we have you guys again. Hasta luego.